Well, we make all the stuff that makes all this other stuff work, all this cool stuff work. All of the devices, all of the games that you see have to run on somebody's network, right?
Right.
And those networks have to work. And they work because our stuff is underneath it.
And they've got to be open. So that's actually the serious side of it is...
Serious side?
The serious side.
No clogged pipes.
I'm sitting next to a
We don't
guy-
like clogged pipes. We like open pipes.
Sitting next to a guy in a bird costume trying to answer it seriously. I'll just play the straight guy. So we're trying to get the networks to open up, and we want them to basically expose their services out to developers. And where are developers? Well, they're here. And
In your lounge.
they're here in our lounge. They're here at South by.
Yeah.
So, we're trying to get them into the lounge. We're trying to have some fun, and then kind of slide the message in and kind of talk about it just a little bit, while we are bringing the kegs out over at the bar. It's a two-way relationship. We want them to better understand the network. We want them to know, like, this is what the network provides, and it's not just a dumb pipe. It's not just the place where you go and get data, or suck up all the bandwidth or whatever. But we're also taking those developers and we're bringing them into the operators, into the service providers, and saying, hey, this is what the development community wants. This is what they're doing. This is what they don't understand you yet. And so we're bringing them to the table and we're having them have conversations. So we're finding developers to come and talk to network operators, next week and future events, right?
Yeah.
So we're trying to bring them together. So we've been talking about carriers, but honestly, we're selling to carriers and we're selling into enterprise. So
Right.
Carriers have got lots of really cool stuff out there, but so do basically every enterprise that's out there. They've got services that they should be exposing. And the idea is we'll bring some enterprise use cases, like if you're a major airline and you've got flight data, subscriber information, all my flight history, you've got all of my miles and all that stuff. Combine that with some pretty cool network services, just like simple stuff like location and presence, and make an app that basically allows me as a traveler to have a better travel experience. I can't talk in a lot of details about it because we're building it. So, but it's that type of example, where we'll take something, just bring an enterprise, bring a carrier together, and then start working on something, and then hopefully, we sit in the middle and we work it out between the two of them.